Hi, my name is Michelle Vergara. I am a senior behavioral economics major. My idea for a startup is called Inroads Home Health. Inroads Home Health is a healthcare agency with a focus on cultural competency. And I thought about this because I want to address a core problem. And the core problem is that there are aging family members who are first or second generation immigrants who want to experience a communal feeling as they're growing older and would really like to interact with those who have a similar culture or speak the same language or listen to the same music as they did when they were growing up. But most of the time, they're spending most of their time with home health aides who are in their house and interacting with them for 8 or 12 hour shifts at a time. So, our solution is to provide healthcare services that address these cultural needs and provide services to clients who would like to be paired with healthcare providers who speak the same language or are familiar with their culture. Ultimately, our goal is the same as those of other healthcare agencies, which is basically to provide comfort and care to those who need it. Thanks.